For thousands of years, reclusive mountain sages in China have used an exercise called Qigong to promote health, vitality, and longevity. In this powerful online course, you will learn two lineages of an exercise called Healing Sounds Qigong. One set is attributed to the famous Chinese physician Hua Tuo, and the other is attributed to the immortal Li Yun. Qigong is a method of gentle exercise composed of movements combined with specific breathing techniques. These exercises are grouped into sets that are repeated, often stretching specific parts of the body in order to increase the flow of internal energy. Qigong is also used to release tension within the fascia of our bodies. Our fascia is the web that weaves us all together. Millennia ago, ancient Taoist masters realized that healthy organs vibrate at specific frequencies. Through their experiences practicing meditation, they found 6 tones with the correct frequencies to preserve optimal health, as well as prevent and treat illness. When all of the sounds and postures used in this course are performed in the proper order, the internal heat inside of our organs becomes evenly distributed. Healing Sounds Qigong allows each of the organs involved to regain their correct balance between hot, or yang, and cold, or yin. Daily practice of the 6 Healing Sounds Qigong will restore our body's natural rhythms and maintain calmness and good health. Healing Sounds Qigong is a time-tested method to release physical tension and mental stress. In this course, you will learn 2 variations on this ancient practice. You will also learn about several time-tested and scientifically researched herbal medicines used to promote health, vitality, and longevity. I look forward to helping you on your journey to health and peace of mind.